Chinese officials announced plans to commemorate the 80th anniversary of China's resistance against Japanese aggression and fascism during World War II. The event takes place on September 3, 2025 at Tiananmen Square in Beijing. During the press conference, Foreign Minister Ong Lei emphasized the importance of remembering this crucial chapter in history.
Defending historical truth and upholding a correct historical perspective is a matter of human conscience, of international justice, and of world peace. Whether or not Japan has the right understanding of and approach to history is a litmus test for whether it can uphold conscience and stand by its commitment to peaceful development. War of resistance against Japanese aggression and the World Anti-Fascist War, Japan once again faces questions about its past and present. We urge Japan to face history squarely, to reflect deeply upon its criminal liability of aggression, make a clean break with militarism, and pursue the right path of peaceful development, good neighborliness, and friendship.
China's prolonged resistance against Japanese aggression not only changed China's future, but had global implications.
The ceremony will feature national leaders, military displays, and cultural performances. Leaders from countries like Russia, North Korea, Cuba, and even the former Japanese Prime Minister are expected to attend. There will also be educational activities to help people worldwide understand the significance of this history. Authorities have promised increased security to ensure the event is safe and respectful for all attendees. This anniversary is more than a commemoration. It's a time for China to reflect on its past and send a message of peace and resilience for the future. For the news on PBCJ, I am Marlon Samuels, reporting from Beijing, China.